Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Allison Stone and I am an online teacher. For the past year, I have been teaching ESL to China with VIPKid, and also some other teaching opportunities have come my way. So I wanted to find a good place to share all my tips and tricks for the people who want to start out and find a career online teaching, or maybe you're forced to do that with your current situation at your B&M classroom. So here we go. I first off wanted to say everyone can do this and be yourself. It's important that you find your own tribe, you smile, you stay positive. Some kids like the silly, fun teacher, some kids like the serious teacher. You will find your comfort level, and honestly, everyone can do it. This has been a blessing this year because honestly, the kids have been in school, they've been out of school, they've been working from home. I can be here for them. I can set my own schedule, I can set my own hours, and I love being here with them. So it's been a win-win. So as we go through, I am going to be adding more tips and tricks to this channel. Please comment and like if you'd like to subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.